welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. I wanted to talk a little bit about shifters tonight. Made an EMPI shifter into a short shifter. Okay, it wasn't an easy task, but got it done. This is actually 3 inches shorter than the stock EMPI shifter. Okay, so let me show you what a stock one is. See the difference? 3 inches shorter. Okay, what that does, it actually shortens the throw by 2 inches, because the stock throw is about 5 inches, and then the new throw would be 3 inches. And I'll show you that here on the table. Alright guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe down below, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. Let's take a look. So, this is the short throw, okay? I got a mark right here, fully open. Got the second mark right there, okay? And then this one is the stock throw. Same thing, I got a mark right over here. And there's a second mark, okay? So, what that does for you, this is the stock throw, 5 inches. This is the short throw, 3.5 inches. So sorry, I said 3 before. It's actually 3.5 inch. Still, that's amazing that we were able to take this, modify it a little bit so that you can move all this down, rethreaded that, and then now it's a short throw. So all I got to do is put that metal rod back inside. If you can see that. Feed that back in, get this thing hooked back up, and we're good to go. So, let me explain what we did. I can't take this one off, but what I did was I removed that, and we basically took the measurement from here to here. Okay, we shaved this down. I think it was roughly 3 inches, about 3 inches down, and then we remade these threads down below. Okay, so that's what it turned out to be. It's all said and done. If you want to use your stock shift knob back on it, there you go. So all that's left for this guy is to take that boot off the longer one and put it on the short one. So let's go ahead and get a measurement of what the stock one is. So from threads to bottom, you're looking at 11.5 inches. The short throw, you're looking at a little under 9 inches. Let's just call it 9 inches. So that's it right there. So let's get this in the car and see what it looks like. See how it feels, with the short throw. See if I can, there we go. I don't know if you can see that very well, but shorten it by 3 inches. Okay. So, this was no easy task. The way EMPI designed these shifters, they didn't design them to be shortened. So we had to put a new shaft inside, thread that shaft, and then slip fit it inside of the old tube. Okay, because the way it was designed, there wasn't enough thread on the top here. I don't know if you can see that or not. There wasn't enough thread on the top to rethread it, so they actually put a step in here to make this area a little bit thicker. So when we tried to rethread it down here, there wasn't enough meat in there to thread it. So that's why we had to make a new shaft, put this groove in it, and slip it into here. Okay, so we were able to get it done, but it wasn't the easiest task. So now all that's left is to get the reverse lockout installed on it, which I'm going to have to shorten up and get some lube in there and move my leather boot over to that one. Alright guys, so just wanted to show you what the shorter shifter looks like in the car. It's kind of hard to really see it on camera, but it definitely looks pretty short in the car. So let's see if I can get you a good view of that one there. So anyways, pretty happy with how it turned out. Just got to put my other shift knob on it, and that's done. Alright guys, so I'm pretty happy with how that short shifter turned out. It wasn't easy to get it done, but little ingenuity and it can be done. So let me show you what exactly happened on that guy, okay? So here's a stock one. First off, you gotta take the knob off, okay? This thread up here on the other one was bent. I couldn't rethread it and get it to work properly. I don't know what bent it, but it was just bent. So what I had to do, well, what I had to do to shorten it, I should say, I had to get this piece cut down to 3 inches more. But I don't know if you could tell right there, along that edge, it's actually welded on or brazed on. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little tough to see. So this piece here is actually separate from this piece. Not sure why they did that. I would have thought they would have used a hollow shaft all the way up. Shaved this guy down, rethreaded the tip, called it a day. But apparently they thought it would have been cheaper and lighter to go a different route. So in any case, when we took this and started cutting down on this bottom section to match that, it actually just fell out. So we had to make on that other piece a new section here and just slide it inside of it. So it wasn't easy, but it wasn't hard either. You just had to think about what to do. So in any case, I think at this point I'm gonna leave the short shifter in there after I get it driving a little bit, test it out, see if I really want the short shifter or go back to stock 12-inch shifter on the EMPI. So anyways, guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Remember, it's light. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Off-Axis Build. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, it's built, not bought. See you on the next one, guys.